Hey everyone, welcome to FahimTec. Is your Wi-Fi icon missing on Windows 11 or 10? Don't panic. I've got the quickest and easiest fix for you, and it'll only take 2 minutes. Let's get straight to the solution. Just follow these simple steps and your Wi-Fi icon will be back in no time. Oh, and if you're dealing with Wi-Fi disconnection issues, this fix works for that too. Before we start, hit that subscribe button for more quick tech solutions. It's completely free and helps you stay ahead with your tech. Now let's get started.